So the question is, can Zoom hit $1,500 in 2 years, as Cathie Wood is predicting? This is the monthly chart, and we can see that current levels, price is in an accumulation area. Again, can Zoom hit $1,500 in 2 years? If we look at the all-time highs, we're looking at roughly $590, in which price hit back in October of 2020 when the pandemic was hitting, and Zoom had most of the market. Today there's a lot more competition and the economy is opened. Now let's figure out why Cathie Wood thinks Zoom can hit $1,500. So just about every company on earth pushed to incorporate AI into their operations and products in 2023. Indeed, AI is driving massive increases in productivity for knowledge workers around the world. And one company is poised to see a huge benefit as businesses push to make their employees more efficient. Zoom Video Communications has built out several AI features to help remote workers, everyone from salespeople to software engineers, use their time more effectively, and Ark Invest thinks Zoom's AI-related products and services could provide a massive boost to revenue. The analyst team, led by Cathie Wood, slapped a $1,500 price target on the stock for 2026. That implies a massive 2,000 plus upside from where the stock trades as of this writing. In a write-up detailing its long-term financial model for Zoom stock last year, Ark Analyst wrote, "In our view, the most important driver for its business is Zoom's ability to monetize its users. It sees average revenue per user for Zoom's core video conferencing service climbing from $113 in 2022 to $188 in 2026. That represents an annualized growth rate of about 14%. Unfortunately, Zoom fell short of that rate in the first 3 quarters of 2023. Enterprise customers are up about 5% year over year as of the end of third quarter. Meanwhile, total revenue increased just 3%. Ark sees Zoom improving upon its core video conferencing revenue with AI service by 50 to 100%. In other words, it thinks AI services could double Zoom's ARPU by 2026. Not only does Ark Invest expect huge growth in revenue per user driven by AI products and services, it expects Zoom to attract a lot more paying users. Specifically, it anticipates the conversion rate from free users to paid users will improve substantially over time. When you factor in modest revenue growth and stable operating margins, Zoom stock should be able to produce solid returns for investors, so the downside risk at this point isn't too worrisome. On the other hand, if Cathie Wood and Ark Invest turn out to be anywhere close to accurate with their outlook, the upside could be substantial. Now, I would also say that the downside risk is limited at this point. Again, this is an accumulation area going back to 2020. However, price is having a very difficult time closing above the $75 level. Hit it once, twice, a third time, a fourth time, and a fifth time. Now, price is in the middle of this range. Momentum is to the downside at the moment. So let's zoom down, no pun intended, to the daily chart. And what I see is that you have a convergence of more or less all the moving averages. You have the 12, the 20, 13, 26, 50, 100, and 200. The key is this 200-day moving average. One quick tip, we're going to stay range bound until this 200-day moving average starts pointing up or down. But again, because we're in this accumulation area, I anticipate 200-day moving average. At some point next year, starting to point upwards. Now this is extending into April of next year, so that's more or less a potential projection. Now, if you're a believer in Zoom and Cathie Wood, where would you get long? You see these volume bars, this dash line. This is really a W pattern. And if I make that and I bold that, so you can see at the apex of the W, volume kicked in. And so potentially the setup would be the following: a retest with a target at the level where price can't get to. Now the question is, can Zoom hit $1,500 in 2 years, as Cathie Wood is predicting? I doubt it, but let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.